How can you search for financial information on exempt organizations? You can obtain this information directly from the 990 filings, which the IRS requires exempt organizations to file in order to maintain their tax-exempt status. Go to the irs.gov website, then select the Charities and Nonprofits link at the top. You have a lot of information here about nonprofits, but what we are interested in is the tax-exempt organization search database. You can search the database on the IRS website or download a bulk data. I will select the Search the Exempt Organization database. Before we continue, familiarize yourself with all the possible search options, like the different data sets available and different ways of searching for entities by name or employer identification number, EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to entities for tax purposes. Let's just continue with our search. I can see now in the drop-down the different data sets available, and I can either search by name or EIN. I will select the copies of returns, Form 990 filings, which are annual reports that federally tax-exempt organization must file with the IRS, detailing their activities, governance, and finances. If you don't know the EIN number for the nonprofit, try using a keyword or business name. I'm going to keep it broad and use the keyword CAPA. I received 1,975 results. I'm going to go back and use the EIN number instead. Since EINs are unique, I received one result. To get to the financials, click on the organization name. Here, I can access all the current and historical digital filings available for download for the nonprofit. I will click on the Copy of Return link to first view the filing. If you want a copy for your own records, select the download icon in the top right corner. In the next video, I will go over how to read Form 990 filing. Thanks so much for watching.